Why do we sneeze? Sneezing happens when the nose is irritated by any kind of irritant. It could be dust, allergen, or anything like that. And it is a protective mechanism. So, what exactly happens is when there is an irritant in your nose, the nerve endings in the nose get stimulated and it will send a signal to the brain. The brain will in turn send signal to the lungs to draw in more air, right, preparing for a sneeze. And then the throat and chest muscle contract, expelling the air through the nose and mouth at a greater speed, which we call it as a sneeze, thus expelling the irritant out of the nose. So this process is involuntary. That's why once you start sneezing, it becomes very difficult to stop the sneeze.